Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Final relief rally after continuously falling for nearly 10 days. Today, happy to see a green candle after so many red candles. What has changed? In fact, yesterday also the US markets were mixed. Today morning when I checked, the Asian markets were not really great. But at 7 a.m., Chinese manufacturing PMI data came, so that came better than expected. PMI data came around 52 plus. 50 plus is considered to be, economy expanding. 50 minus means economy is contracting. So now there is an optimism that Chinese factory are doing well and their economy will be expanding. So this optimism, Hong Kong market shot up like anything, and that Hong Kong market shooting up more than 4% lifted the sentiment across Asia, Europe and US also. That is why when we opened much higher than what SGX Nifty indicated. And then markets have been extremely oversold for the past many days. So within few minutes there was a short covering, and in just first 15-minute candle, Nifty shot up nearly 100 points. And after that, it was consolidating until 2 p.m. Then after 2 p.m., by seeing the European markets, by seeing the US futures, again Nifty shot up another 50 points. So totally Nifty was up about 150 points. Yesterday, Reliance Industries was the stock that contributed the most on the downside, and today it is the same stock which contributed on the higher side the most. Bank Nifty has outperformed, but surprisingly HDFC Bank did not do well. But PSU banks, and that's because PSU banks have fallen along with the Adani stocks. Now Adani stocks are rising, so naturally PSU banks tend to do much better. There was a report that Adani got about 3 billion from a sovereign wealth fund as a loan, so that lifted the sentiment, and every day Adani stocks were lower circuit for the past many days, and today all the stocks were in the upper circuit. So this Adani saga is going to continue either upper circuit or lower circuit, so for a few more days. One thing was very surprising. Though we fell for nearly 9 or 10 days continuously, the India VIX did not shoot up. And today market recovered, India VIX collapsed. India VIX closed below 13. I tend to trade in long-term options. I am looking at prices. The option premiums are, hardly anything. You look at the June month expiry, 19,000 call option. Nifty shot up 150 points, but still the June 19,000 call option actually came down, is lower. And same thing in the December 20,000 call also, the hardly 5-6 rupees move. That may be because of liquidity issue. Puts have collapsed, but calls have not increased. So that is the beauty of selling strangles. When the markets keep on falling, even if market reverses, the puts prices will collapse, call prices will not go up. Everything has turned positive globally, but we cannot be very happy unless Adani stocks continue to trade without lower circuit at least for another few more days, at least 4 or 5 trading sessions. And today we have to wait because I am shooting this video earlier as I need to leave my office. So FII data is still not out, but I am sure FIIs are going to be on the sell side only. So when the markets are falling, they are selling. When the markets are rising, they will be more happy to sell. The only thing is DAs might have matched their selling, or probably retail people exhausted selling. So that could be one possible reason. Looking at the open interest, there was a huge unwinding in 17,300 call, 350 call, 400 call. So only 17,500 call is intact. There was a huge addition of open interest at 17,400 put option. For tomorrow expiry, if you see 17,500 call and 17,400 put, both are equally having the open interest. So assuming that 25 rupees as the premium for both, tomorrow Nifty is likely to expire between 17,350 and 17,550. It's just 100 point plus or minus from where it has closed. And of course, one day before expiry, you can't just judge by the option premium, because tomorrow if gap up or gap down, the people will sell additional put options, additional call options, they will manage. Bank Nifty has outperformed Nifty. In fact, it has outperformed yesterday also. So let us see whether the next leg of rally is being led by banking stocks. So there is nothing much, and this March series started off very volatile, and we are going to finish 1 week by tomorrow. Economic data, auto sales data were okay. GST collection was about 1.5 lakh crore. Chinese data, our PMI data also is also good. So finally, people are trying to interpret some positive news from the economic data all over the world, not only in India. So US jobs data also will not be coming this Friday, will be coming next Friday. So at least for another 1 week, we can expect market to stabilize or to move slightly higher from here. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.